was rudely awakened this morning by this woody woodpecker pecking on the roof. And now he's feeding. He or she, I'm not sure if it's a male or female. Birdie. Yeah. Is he really hungry after all the pecking? Okay, the other birdies are waiting in line. Just like this girl. Sharing is not caring. Okay, you need a lot of pecking power now. Filling yourself up with the seeds. We used to munch this, back in Malaysia. The sunflower seeds is like our snack, human snacks. But here you don't get them sold as snack for people. It's for the birds. I love sunflower seeds. I use them for cooking. It's super nutritious. Okay, you're trying to finish it all. I saw our squirrel being kind of exited the land, so I'm not sure if he's back. This morning I saw a lot of shells from the seeds. I thought he was back, but now I know who's the culprit. It's the woodpecker. Because when the birds, they just take the seeds and fly away. So when the plate is empty, I know the birds did it. This morning when I saw the shells, I was like, oh, the squirrel is back, but nope. Now I know who did that. This woodpecker has the same peck and leaves the shells behind. Oh, who's there? It's Maharaja Zigfus. Yes, I see you. Looks like a beautiful day. Lots of love from me in Lakesh. Namaste.